Hello friend, I am Shdip Chorat and I am going to talk about a technical topic titled the skeletal system. The skeletal system is a complex framework that supports the body, protect vital organs and enables movement and produce blood cells. It also protects our body from external threats and shield internal organs. The skeletal system consists of bones, which are its primary components. In adults, there are uh, 206 bones divided into two groups, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The first is the axial skeleton. The axial skeleton forms the central axis of the body and consists of 80 bones. It is crucial for supporting the head, neck, and trunk, while protecting the brain, spinal cord, and vital organs in the thoracic region. The axial skeleton includes the first is the skull. The skull protects the brain and support the structure of the face. It includes several bones. Second, the cranial bones. These protect the brain. Frontal bone present in the forehead area, and the parietal bones located on the sides of the skull. The temporal bones position at the lower sides of the skull housing the ear. Occipital bone form the base of the skull. Sphenoid bone forms a part of the base of the skull and the eye socket. Ethmoid bone contribute to the nasal cavity and eye sockets. The skull also includes 14 facial bones that provide the structure and shape to the face, include the nasal and zygomatic bones. Second one is the vertebral column. The vertebral column. This column provided support and flexibility to the torso and is divided into cervical vertebra. Seven vertebra located in the neck region. Thoracic vertebra. Thoracic vertebra is the 12 vertebra present in the upper back, and the lumbar vertebra is the 5 vertebra located in the lower back. Sacrum 5 fused vertebra forming the back of the pelvis. Coccyx tailbone made up of 4 fused vertebra, often considered non-functional. Third is the rib cage. Rib cage protect the heart and lungs. There are 12 pairs of ribs. True ribs, 7 pairs directly attached to the sternum. False ribs, 3 pairs that connect indirectly to the sternum. And a floating ribs, 2 pairs that are not attached to the sternum. The appendicular skeleton. The appendicular skeleton consists of 126 bones, and it is responsible for movement and interaction with the environment. It includes first is the pectoral girdle, also known as the shoulder girdle. Connects the upper limbs to the trunk, and it included the clavicles, two bones that connect the arms to the body. Capsule provided attachment point for muscles. Second is the upper limbs. Upper limbs is first is the humerus, the upper arm bone. Radius, a forearm bone located on the thumb side. Ulna is a forearm bone located on the little finger side. The carpals. Carpals are 8 bones in each wrist, total 16. Metacarpals. Metacarpals bone of the hand, 5 in each hand, total 10. Phalangus bone of the finger and toes. The third is the pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle is the connect the lower limbs to the trunk and support body weight. It consists of the hip bones made up of 3 fused bone, the ilium and ischium and pubis. Fourth is the lower limbs. Lower limbs is the first is the femur, the longest and strongest bone in the body, located in the thigh. Patella, the kneecap, protect the knee joint. Tibia, the larger and stronger bone of the lower leg. Fibula, a thinner bone of the lower leg. And the tarsals, tarsals have 7 bones in each ankle. Total as 17 bones. Metatarsal, metatarsal has the 5 bones in the middle of the foot, and total is 10. In functions, the functions of skeleton system. The skeleton systems provide a structural framework for the body and protect vital organs such as the brain protect by the skull, and the heart and lungs protect by the rib cage. Bones act as levers for muscles, facilitating movement. Additionally, the skeletal system stores essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are released into the bloodstream when needed. Blood cell production occurs in the red bone marrow, while yellow bone marrow stores fat that aid in energy storage. There are 5 types of bone: long bone, short bone, flat bones, sesamoid bones, and irregular bones. Understanding the structure and function of the skeleton system is essential for studying human anatomy and diagnosis disorders and disease related to the bones. So, this is the system of a skeleton. So, thank you.